Hello, I'm Jay from Relaxus. Today I'm going to show you our new table, the Apollo Full Electric Salon Table. Your table includes a headrest, a face pillow, a front armrest, a pillow, and a pair of side armrests that will add 3 inches per side to your table. Okay, so I'm going to install the armrest and the headrest, as well as the cushion. Here are the 2 armrests installed on the table. We have a hand control unit that allows you to adjust the backrest, the footrest, and the height. You can also control the height by using the foot pedal. The table has 4 lockable wheels. To lock the table, push this button down. To unlock it, lift this up. Hopefully the video was helpful. If you need further details, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.